If you are looking for how to convert a set of data from vertical alignment to horizontal alignment or horizontal alignment to vertical alignment, vice versa, then this video is for you. Here I have some data which is in a vertical order. I will copy this data from here till here by pressing the shortcut key, that is Ctrl C. Then go to any cell in your Excel sheet and do a right click. You will see an option that is called Paste Special. You need to click this option, Paste Special. Click on here. Then you will see an option that is called Transpose. At the bottom of the dialog box, it is Transpose. So you need to click on the checkbox near Transpose and click on OK. Now you can see this data has been converted into a horizontal order. You can also convert this data into a vertical order, and you can do the same activity by using the shortcut key, that is Ctrl Alt V. So before performing it, I will select this data from here till here, then copy, then go to any cell and press the shortcut key, that is Ctrl Alt V. You will get the same dialog box and same option, that is Transpose. Simply need to click on the checkbox, then click on OK. Now you can see this data has been converted into a vertical order. So both the ways are possible, from horizontal to vertical and vertical to horizontal. This is how transpose is done. Friends, if you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.